Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. In order to roll the door out properly, you want to remove all the hardware if possible. And we come across the peephole here. And don't let this throw you off. It's pretty easy to remove. It has two notches there. And you can take your 5-in-1 tool or a really wide flat screwdriver. And we just get it in the grooves here and we'll just work it. If it slips a bit, not a big deal. Just keep at it till it loosens. Remember that the viewfinder on the other side of the door, you may have to hold it while you also loosen this side as well, the side that I'm working on right now. But most of the time, it'll just come loose without you even having to hold the viewfinder side on the other side of the door. But here we go. Loosen it up, lefty-loosey, and we're almost there. Pull it out. And what this will do is it'll leave a nice flat surface for the door. Now, I think you can have noticed that on the right side I have the handles taped up. Sometimes older locks and handles you just don't want to deal with. I've learned over the years that you can just tell which ones might fall apart or you might lose a spring or whatnot. Here is the other side of the viewfinder that I was talking about earlier. So the handles and the lock, sometimes you just can't remove them. And if you do, you should have new ones there. But since we're in like strata apartment and whatnot, I elected to just frog tape them and do a nice sand and go around them and call it a day. But the viewfinder, that is how you remove it, the little peephole. So thank you for watching.